So we would write our answer here as P of x does not equal H of x because the graph of P of x never intersects H of x. Okay, so I'm going to jump over here to where it says right under the graph. Identify the value or values of x for which H of x is equal to 0. So I would look for what on the graph?
On the x-axis.
Yes, I would look for it on the x-axis, which looks like it's here, here, and that's it. So x looks like it's about 3.5, and x equals -2. For which values of h of x is greater than 0? Yeah, everywhere it's above the x-axis. So I could say from -3.5, but I got to stop at -3 because that's an open circle. And then from -3 to -2, sorry. And then there's more from what to what? 1 to 5. 1 I wouldn't include, but 5 I would. And we're probably not going to finish this, and that's okay. It's all been the same thing over and over and over again anyways. Doing day 5 homework should not be a problem. So if you haven't started on that, make sure you start on it and get through enough that you know if you understand it or not, so you can ask questions tomorrow because you are having a quiz on Thursday. Identify the value or values for which h of x is less than 0. Right, so that's the opposite. So we go from -6 to -3.5. And it's also below from -2 to 1. Positive 1. And it would include the 1. Okay, I'm just going to fill in the rest of these so that we have them. And then you can look through them, and if you have questions on these, that's fine. You can ask me tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll go over any questions, anything. Probably move on to the next thing, but the next thing will not be covered on the homework quiz. It's on Thursday. And for virtual learners, it's on Friday.